Welcome to Syska Grooming Club. I'm Valerie and that's my model Muskan. On Muskan today, we're going to do bouncy curls. So we've freshly shampoo conditioned Muskan's hair and blow dried it smoothly with our Syska hair dryer of 1600 volt. You simply section the hair out in a vertical direction and clip it away. We're going to start using our Syska hair straightener of 25 watts. It has a lock system. You can simply press it and it unlocks. You simply wrap the hair on the hair straightener and keep turning it inwards. The straightener heats up within 30 seconds. The Syska hair straightener has a very premium finish. This hair straightener is very easy to use and it gives an excellent result. Take smaller sections for a better result. I've been using Syska grooming products for a while now and I'm very happy with the results it gives me. Finish it off by using a little bit of hairspray